Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about one of the best trick which is used in WhatsApp and which is interesting for you people. You will all wants to know about it, and it's about the WhatsApp trick. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Sometimes you need to send some message to some unknown number and you don't want to save that number. Then in this situation, what will you do? How can you send direct message in the WhatsApp? So let us solve this kind of your query. You will know in this video that you will be able to directly send WhatsApp message without saving that number on your phone book. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp in Play Store. Here you can click here Play Store, and then next window will appear like this. You have to search WhatsApp in search box where you can update WhatsApp. This kind of window will appear on your phone and you can update your WhatsApp app. Secondly, you have to open Chrome browser in your phone. When you write down your WhatsApp number using this link, and this kind of window will appear. It will directly take you to the WhatsApp and you can send message in the WhatsApp. This is how you can send a message in WhatsApp directly. You don't have to save the number. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.